Good morning to all of you. My name is Iprin Jaswal. Today we have covered the topic of transparent taxation. It is the most prevalent topic in the news in this day. So I I think I will make a video from these topics. So let's start now. First of all, we have clear the meaning of honoring the honest. It is a more useful word which is covered by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Honoring the honest, it means I think honoring that means respect, and honest we all know about it. But honoring the honest that means respect towards the honest people. It is easy meaning for that. I think it is better to understand respect towards the honest people. So, so we have covered transparent taxation, honoring the honest. Yesterday, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a meeting with Nirmala Sitharaman, which is Finance Minister of India, and many professional like company secretaries and chartered accountant and cost management accounting are also coming in their meeting, and lots of discussions which is held yesterday. So it's going on total reduce the pressures of work of the income tax department, which is very I think work harder on there. So all the things are going transparent. The Modi's government are saying three terms, which is first faceless assessment, and the second is taxpayer charter, and the third is faceless appeal. All the terms which is useful on the meeting. So first we have understand faceless assessment. What is faceless assessment? That means a taxpayer who want to pay their taxes, they don't need to go the office of income tax department, and they are pay their taxes through the online or artificial intelligence. It is so the faceless assessment. Second is taxpayer charter. Taxpayer charters, it show the responsibility of the taxpayer. It means taxpayers will be able to pay their taxes on the time, and they are almost contribute to the country to development of the country. And the third is faceless appeal. Faceless appeal, it is so that if any query, any problem which is faced by the taxpayer, so they have not meeting to the personally to the income tax department officer. They are going to appeal online, and the department of income tax which appealed by the taxpayer also look and transfer to the other department of any state. So it means no one clear who is a taxpayer and who is a tax matlab tax collector your tax department. So all the things is going transparent. So I think it is very useful video, and Modi governments are saying it only 1.5 crore people pay income tax in a country of 130 crore. So it is a I think a great knowledgeable information for you, because you have to understand it. 113 crores of populations of India, only 1.5 crore will be paying the tax. How the country run, can't imagine. But it is also direct tax data, because indirect tax all persons I think will be paying it.